Look around. Notice the crushing weight of yesterday's rules crushing your ambition. Old economic castles built from dust, greased with complacency, defended by guardians who fear the new, the bold, the disruptive. Every day, those monuments to the past mock you, built on slow, crooked processes, bloated bureaucracy, and outdated ways dragging innovation into a swamp. You feel it, don't you? That rage burning in your chest because the system isn't broken, it's rigged, designed to protect the slow movers, the mediocre, the ones who thrive on the status quo, while you, the founder, investor, leader, are stuck trying to storm those walls with nothing but fresh fire and raw ideas. It's infuriating. You know the old economic order can't hold forever, but every step forward feels like wading through quicksand. That frustration, that anger, it's fuel. Don't let it burn you out. Use it. Here's the brutal truth. Those castles are built on fear. The fear of losing control, the fear of unpredictability, the fear of true transformation. Innovation doesn't just knock politely. It stomps, it shakes foundations, it shatters comfort zones. The question isn't, will innovation destroy the old? It's, will you burn it down and rise with it, or stay trapped under the rubble? If you want real change, start seeing the old system for what it is. Not a throne, but a cage. The first command, tear the blinders off. Stop playing by their rules. Systems reward mediocrity and punish brilliance. Your mission isn't to fit in, it's to redefine the game. You must aggressively identify every outdated process that slows innovation inside your circle, inside your world. Kill as many legacy anchors as you can. The slower the system, the faster you must move. Release decision-making from layers of approval. Build lean, ruthless experimentation engines that refuse to wait or negotiate with tradition. Work with people who hunger for change, who question everything. Why? Must be louder than, because we've always done it this way. Second, build translocal connections that shake down borders. Old economics rely on static, geographic limitations, and tight clubs of power. You operate globally, strategically, and you understand that the future belongs to those who foster alliances beyond nation, party, and ego. Start weaving tight networks with people who think like you, not to gather crowds, but to find the few who will push your vision beyond limits. Synergy isn't about collecting partners. It's about forging unbreakable bonds where risks are shared and rewards multiply exponentially. This is your secret weapon against slow-moving giants. Third, make meritocracy savage, relentless, and raw. Respect isn't given because of who someone is or where they come from. It's earned by what they build, break, and remake. Build your team, your investors, your partners on constant proof, no exceptions. Demand breakthroughs that shake markets. Question loyalties that only protect comfort zones. Chase ideas that unsettle the old guard. When you focus on continuous merit, you don't just innovate, you create unstoppable momentum. And finally, embrace bold, constructive capitalism. This isn't about profits alone. It's about transformation. Your capital must be an instrument of impossible dreams, tools to transcend inherited constraints, to ignite new realities. Don't fund the status quo. Fund revolution disguised as progress. Make your money shout louder than the old economy's whispers. Be ruthless in backing ventures that challenge mortality, that defy limitations, that break through the noise and chaos with fearless clarity. Feel that fire in your core? That's your call to arms. The old economic castles aren't just in the market. They're in your mind, in your fears, in your habits. Destroy them from inside out. Align your power with the few who dare to reshape the future. Build an unstoppable network of creators, fighters, and builders who understand that the system is not a cage, but combustible. You aren't here to maintain history. You're here to rewrite it. Stop waiting. Stop doubting. Light the match and watch the old burn. Then build something no one else even dares to imagine. The revolution is not coming. It's in your hands. Don't just survive the collapse. Be the force that makes the old world disappear, and the new one impossible to ignore.